Hello, hello, friends. It's me, Shar, your favorite color street stylist from San Antonio, Texas. How you doing? How was your Christmas? Did you have a fun, packed day full of family and friends? Or did you take it easy? Did you let yourself slow down and relax and have a peaceful and restful Christmas? Let us know in the comments below. I'm going to begin by putting on something on my lips so my face doesn't look so bland to look at. I'm just kidding. I'm loving the skin I'm in lately. Thanks to my Abby facial care. This is like seriously the best my skin has ever looked. And I'm so thankful for it. But let me put on some lip stuff. If you're on, I see Tina, Sandra, and Jessie. Hello, hello. Welcome and happy holidays to you ladies. I'm going to apply some Jelly Pout. I absolutely love the Jelly Pout. It moisturizes your lips. You can wear it all day long. You can wear it overnight as a lip mask. It's wonderful. And it makes your lips really just a beautiful, shiny look without that sticky feeling. Hi, Heather. Welcome, welcome. So yeah, this Jelly Pout seriously is so amazing for your lips. Like I said, it makes them look shiny, but without that sticky feeling. Love it. P.S. You can snag the Jelly Pout and my favorite, the tinted lip balm, for just $22.50 right now. Isn't that amazing? Usually the Jelly Pout alone is $22 and the tinted lip balm is $19, but you can grab both of them for just $22.50. Isn't that great? I will drop my link for y'all in just a little bit. Yeah, happy holidays. I am on with y'all today to open up the December color play. I'm so happy for this one. The December color play, I'm really hoping we get a nail strip that looks like this ombre right here. Like, I'm seriously crossing my fingers so hard for a nail strip that looks just like this with that pretty blue, like a bluish purple almost, and then gradient into the pink and then the light blue. I'm really hoping for a glitter ombre like that. And then I'm also really hoping for a beautiful snowflake overlay. Let's open up December color play together, and then I'll give y'all a few quick announcements and let you go on with your Merry Friday, your happy Merry Friday. So let's open this beauty up together and see what's inside December's color play. Remember, it is too late to grab this one on my website, but you can subscribe for January's, and usually I have the theme printed out. I did not come prepared today, y'all. I'm sorry. But the theme for January is gorgeous. Like, it's Sakura Festival, if I remember the name correctly. And the picture showed us Japanese cherry blossoms. I love cherry blossoms. How about y'all? But if you are into cherry blossoms, drop some cherry emojis below. You're not going to want to miss January's. Watch this, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nail strips. 5 full nail sets. Remember, our color play is only $30 plus tax. Shipping is included. Color play is such an amazing deal. It lets you switch up your nails, 2 or 3 times a month, depending on how you use the nail sets. It's a great deal to have beautiful nails for just $30 all month. if you're not a Color Play subscriber yet, I'm sorry. You are missing out. I do have a sneak peek for January. So if y'all comment sneak below, I will personally message you a sneak peek for January. Yes, Heather, cherry blossoms are gorgeous. So pretty. The image for January is gorgeous. You're not going to want to miss out. I promise. There are definitely some posts in the VIP group that I've made. There's even posts like in my Facebook stories that y'all can catch that show off January's Color Play theme. You're not going to want to miss it. But without further ado, let's meet the strips from December and see what we got this month for just $30 plus tax. So our little brochure, it shows us a nail strip of Frozen Skies. That's a beautiful blue for January, right? I don't know about y'all, but I love wearing shades of blue in January. It doesn't really get cold here in Texas, so the only way I can really like feel winter-y is on my nails. So I love to wear shades of blue in January. How about you? Drop some blue hearts below or some snowflakes below if you like to capture the winter magic on your nails too. So our little brochure, it always lets us know about the Color Play envelope. Of course, we get a description of our strips and gives us some ways to wear them on the back and just lets us know all about the Color Play program. Look how gorgeous this is, y'all. This is like our mood board for this Color Play envelope. Isn't that pretty? The ice crystals, gorgeous. And look, another nail strip. What is that? Midnight Snow. How pretty. All right, let's meet the strips. I can't wait. Okie dokie. We got our nail file and our nail prep pad, of course. Let's see what we got first. Crystal Chill. Ooh, I like that name. Oh my goodness. I think Color Street might have delivered what I wanted. What do you think? That's a pretty close match. Gosh, that glitter. Oh my goodness. All right, Crystal Chill. Turn your nails into glistening icicles with this glitter overlay with an icy purple, blue, and black gradient. Yeah, that's pretty. I am definitely seeing winter ice crystals. How about y'all? Drop me like that little freezing face emoji if you're loving this one. I can't get over that glitter. Woo! Gorgeous. Okay. Next one, Midnight Snow. That's that little sneak peek I gave y'all on the brochure. Look at the snowflakes. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, goodness gracious. I love it. I love it. I'm not going to lie. I kind of wish the snowflakes were white. But I definitely got that ombre I wanted. Look how close that is, y'all. That is like really close to what the front looks like. And that glitter, again, is just so mesmerizing. Woo! Drop me some glitter emojis below if y'all are loving that glitter. Again, unfortunately, you cannot grab these on my website. These are Color Play exclusive sets. But you can, if you are a Color Play Club subscriber, at the beginning of each month, the December strips that Color Street has in stock. Let me try to word this correctly. Hold on. The extra Color Play Club strips that Color Street still has in stock, they do go on an exclusive Color Play Club shopping category. And you can grab these in that category. So that's cool. So even if you missed out on December's Color Play Club, you can still subscribe. You can get that cherry blossom theme for January and then shop the remaining inventory from prior months. Isn't that awesome? We'll talk more about that later. Twilight F.r.e.e. This is the one that was on the front of the brochure that I showed y'all. I am loving that deep blue. Look at that glitter. The glitter is just amazing in this envelope. Woo-wee. Gorgeous. Usually I like to show y'all ways to wear these, but right now, every set we've looked at, I would just wear them on at their own. They're just each so pretty. I would not do a mixed mani with any of these. All right, next up is Glacier Crush. Are we ready? Here we go. I love the pale blue. That is really pretty. And you know what I just noticed? I didn't read the description for y'all on the last two. Forgive me. It's okay. Glacier Crush is so pretty. Drop me some light blue hearts below if y'all are loving this one. I'm liking that teal glitter too. Glacier Crush, it says, discover the chilling comfort of the cold with this periwinkle blue shade with black, icy blue, and mint green glitter. I am definitely seeing that icy blue and mint green glitter. Isn't that beautiful? Woo. Yeah, drop those light blue hearts if y'all are liking that one. So far, I loved Midnight Snow, this one, because it was very similar to our envelope graphic. But I love this one. The lighter blue is just, this one is really my cup of tea. So pretty. And we have one more set for a total of 5 sets. So 5 nail sets for just $30 plus tax. What a great deal. And this one is Ice Fall Spark. Let's see what, ooh, this one almost looks like a holographic. This one honestly looks like the Stanley Cup that I was looking at yesterday. I was looking, so my daughter Scarlett got a Stanley Cup for Christmas, and Emily had gotten one for her birthday, and I'm like, man, now Mama needs one. And I had saw a Stanley on the website yesterday in a shade like this, so pretty. This is Ice Fall Spark, and it says, your fingertips will sparkle like ice on a sunny day with this purple flashed silver glitter with holographic flakes. So I was right. It is holographic. Look how pretty. Wow. All right. Drop me some snowflakes below if y'all are loving December's color play. So we got some gorgeous strips here, y'all. Look at these 5 nail strips. If y'all were to go on my website and get 5 nail strips in a mix of glitter and glitter designs, you're looking at about, let me see, 42, 52, 56, probably close to $60 for 5 nail strips. Because remember, you get the buy 3, get 1 free. So that's about $42 with tax and shipping. And then throw an extra strip on top of the buy 3, get 1 free is about $56. So yeah, you're looking at about $56 if you get 5 strips on my website. These, all 5 came in my Color Play Club envelope for just $30 plus tax. Isn't that great? Drop some money signs below if y'all think that's a good deal. I do. I don't know about you, but I love a good deal. And what's also really great is the Color Play Club is always on trend. One thing I love about Color Street is they really focus on learning and knowing what's trending at the moment. And they are going to provide you nail strips that are fitting with the trends right now. So great Color Play Club envelope. I am so happy I have it. If you missed out, again, I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and learn about our Color Play perks. So remember I told y'all a while ago, there is an exclusive member shop. The exclusive member shop gives you access to past Color Play Club envelope sets. So if you had a favorite, you can look in that exclusive member shop and see if your favorites are still available. It also gives you a $5 product credit each month. So every month you're a Color Play Club member, you get a $5 product credit to your account. You also get a $10 product credit on your birthday. You also, I know it keeps going, you also get a $15 loyalty product credit for every 3 consecutive Color Play Club envelopes that you get. So for example, if you got October, November, and December, then come January, because yeah, they give it after the 3rd one, you're going to get $15 product credit to your account. So in a year, if you stay a Color Play member for a year, you'll rack up $130 of product credit that you can spend in the exclusive member shop, or you can spend on new holiday nails, or you can spend it on cuticle oil and cuticle cream and nail strengthening serum we have. So it is a great program to be a part of. You're saving money by getting 5 strips for just $30, and then you're racking up product credit to help you grab those nail essentials that you need to pamper your nails and your cuticles, or try something new like the jelly pouts. So that is all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Drop me some yellow hearts in the comments. Y'all know yellow is my favorite color. Thank y'all for being here. I hope y'all had a very Merry Christmas. We are now shifting gears to New Year. I'm excited for New Year, y'all. I'm already thinking of my word of the year for 2026. 2026 is the year of the horse. So we are going to be moving forward. We are going to be making things happen in the year of the horse. I'm excited for it. I hope you are too. Don't forget to, if you're in my VIP group, don't forget to put those notifications on See All so you don't miss a thing that happens in the group. I have a lot more fun coming your way. Y'all know I love to spoil my VIPs. Y'all know I love to have fun with you. So let's welcome in 2026 together and just keep making things fabulous here. Am I right? Have a wonderful Friday and a very happy weekend. And don't forget to come here in the VIP group and say hello. I'll see you all real soon. Bye for now.